My name is Scott.
Spencer. My name is Austin Everett.
Hi, my name is Hugh.
Hey, my name's Alyssa Clark.
My name's Sean.
Hi, my name's Jordan.
My name's Chase.
My name is Nelson.
My name's Nichelle.
I'm joining the fight against extreme poverty.
And I won't stop in the fight against extreme poverty.
Joining the fight against extreme poverty.
I support the fight against extreme poverty.
I support this fight against extreme poverty.
I'm joining the fight against extreme poverty.
Joining the fight against poverty.
I'm going to make a difference by using my voice.
I won't stop until my voice is heard.
And I'm going to change the world through my voice. I'm going to use my voice.
And you have my voice.
By raising my voice.
My voice won't stop until this issue's over.
No, my voice can be heard.
I won't stop using my voice until this fight is over.
No matter what we think, our country is so blessed compared to people out there. And the fact is, we need to help them. So I support one, and I think you should too.
Join us!